This is one of my favorite quick breads for fall. No flour mix is needed. This recipe calls for almond flour and buckwheat flour, but you can use all almond flour if you choose. In that case, you would need 2 cups of almond flour, and you can skip the buckwheat flour. You can use tapioca starch or arrowroot starch in this recipe. And if you don't have both honey and molasses, you can use a 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of either one. But the molasses with the honey gives this great flavor and just the right amount of sweetness. Spray your baking pans with baking spray or rub them with olive oil. Smaller pans like muffin tins or small bread pans work well for this bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You do not need a mixer for this bread, but if you choose to use one, don't overmix it. Start by adding your eggs, olive oil, molasses and honey to the mixing bowl. And beat until well combined. You can also beat this with a fork or a whisk. Then add the rest of the ingredients except the walnuts and vinegar. And beat this at low speed just until combined. Or fold the dry ingredients in by hand. Lastly, fold in the walnuts and the vinegar. Fill your muffin tins or bread pans about half full. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven. Muffins take about 15 minutes. Small bread pans take about 23 minutes. Just make sure a tester comes out clean. Then allow the bread to cool for about 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. For other great quick breads, try almond flour blueberry muffins or my crumb cake muffins. Thanks for watching, and check out my playlist for other great gluten-free recipes.